Hi, here we are again, and this is the second episode of our show, as we call My Mix, and I am here to demonstrate you and to teach you how to play guitar. When I was young, I listened to a radio waiting for my favorite song, and so I tried to play guitar so I can play as my own while I'm eating, dancing, sleeping. Is my hobby. So I love playing guitar and I'm very good in playing guitar. First of all, if you want to learn how to play guitar, you must have a guitar because you cannot play guitar unless you have a guitar. So as you can see, I have a guitar here. It's very expensive. This is what you call the Guitarra Mierda from Ibiza. And now I will play a song for you so you can see what I am doing and you can learn. And don't forget, don't try this at home. Don't take drugs. Here we go now. This song is called it's my second favorite song. My first favorite song is called My Song, and this is my second favorite song. This song is called I'm so sorry, we're having some technical problems, but we'll be right back after a few moments. Promise. Hi, I'm back again. By the way, where I was teaching you how to play guitar, right? And let's continue. In guitar, there are a lot of chords. Okay, many chords. And I was telling you that I will play my second favorite song that was called. And here it goes. It goes something a little like this. It's cold. That's all for now. Thank you for watching my mix. And this is your host, Rick Ocampo. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.